Okay folks, back again with another 3D printing project all completed from the 1987's Ninja Turtles, episode 3 of 1989, Attack of the Big Mac, which is now available on Thingiverse. Since then, I've downloaded this 3D model and enlarged it and made some modifications to the cannons, and I also created the controller that's on the neck of the robot, which is part of the scene. Let's move on to giving you a 360 view of the robot. So here goes. This model stands 13 inches tall by 5 inches wide, and it's a very unique item as it's never been created before in 3D printing. Hope you enjoy this video and share with your friends. Until next time, that about wraps it up for this quick update. Stay tuned for more videos on similar projects like this.